Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. So I woke up at 4:30 a.m. this morning to get to the nearest Apple store as soon as possible to get my hands on the new release of the iPhone XS and XS Max and the Apple Watch Series 4 so that I can get it for you guys so that we can do an unboxing video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and check this out. So here I have the bag that I got at the Apple store. Here is the new iPhone XS Max, XS Max. This one is gold. Here I got a iPhone XS, gold as well. And I got myself a Apple Watch Series 4 44mm. Alright, so but in this video we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. Let's put these to the side. Alright, so here we have it, guys. Here's the iPhone XS Max. This one is the 64GB model. It is in gold color. I decided to get the new color since obviously the previous models came with the silver and the space gray. So here we have it. Let's see what we can expect from this. So the box looks pretty much the same. So here we have the pretty similar looking Apple iPhone box. Just a white box. We have the picture here of the iPhone XS Max in the front. We have an iPhone logo right here on this side, Apple logo up here, another iPhone logo on this side, and Apple logo. So a pretty basic Apple iPhone box. Back here we have the memory at the top, the basic information of what it includes, and then down here we have your serial number and IMEI and the actual model of the phone. So this one is the A1921. Let's go ahead and open it up. So let's peel off the plastic here. And there you go, it comes off just like that. And let's open it up. So here we have your basic manuals here and terms and condition, and you have your SIM ejector tool. And then we should have some Apple stickers, there we go. And here we have it. So here is the iPhone XS Max. Beautiful looking gold color here. Although the back does kind of look like a rose gold, kind of. And then the sides, the bezel is where it's more gold plated. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastics. Put that to the side for a second. Let's see what else it comes with. So obviously it comes with your Apple wall adapter charger. It comes with your Apple headphones with the lightning connector at the bottom. And we have your lightning charger cable right here. So let's put all this back. So taking a look here at the front screen of the phone. So here we have the ear speaker at the top. We're gonna have all these sensors up here for the Face ID, for the proximity sensor, the front selfie camera. So here we have the huge, beautiful touchscreen. Down here at the bottom, we're gonna have two loudspeakers, one on each side. The two pentalobe screws that you take out to take the phone apart. Down here, we're gonna have the charger port. So here on this side, we're gonna have the SIM tray. Here we have the power button up here at the top, just very plain. And then on this side, we're gonna have the vibrator motor and the two volume rocker buttons. So very similar to the iPhone XS, just a bigger screen. And then here on the back, we have the dual rear facing cameras with the real tone LED flash. Right here, we're gonna have the Apple logo. And then down here, we have the iPhone logo. So let's go ahead and power the phone on so we can test it out. Alright, so here we go. The phone is powered on. There we go. Let's go ahead and power it on. Let's go ahead and go through the settings here so that we can get it set up. And there we go, we are into the phone. Beautiful looking wallpaper here. Let's go and see what this phone brings. So here we have it, iPhone XS Max. So if you swipe down here from the left side to the bottom, you get notifications. If you swipe from this side down, you get your quick controls. If you swipe from the bottom and hold, you will get your apps that you have open, so that you can change within apps, or you can just swipe up and delete them. So let's see all the wallpapers that this phone brings. Okay, so you have live wallpapers that you could choose from. So with these live wallpapers, what you could do is you could press on the screen and they will change. So pretty cool feature there. Nice visual. If you put it on perspective mode, the image on the screen will move in the direction that you move the phone. And if you choose still, the image will just sit still. You also have still wallpapers to choose from, which are just wallpapers that sit still. You have a couple to choose from here. You have dynamic wallpapers. So these are just wallpapers that are constantly changing, and they also move. Just like the perspective wallpapers, they move as you move the phone. All right, so let's go ahead and check the dial pad. So very similar to dial pad, just a lot bigger looking now since the screen is bigger. Same nice feedback as all the other iPhones. Let's go ahead and check the messages here. Same keyboard, like just a little bit bigger now since you have a bigger screen phone. And then here we have all the new emojis and things that we can choose from. You can send music, you can link different apps here to your messages. Let's go ahead and check the camera out. So pretty much same camera features here. You have time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo, portrait shots, square, and panoramic photos. So yeah, remember that you do have portrait selfie shots as well. And up here we have the flash, we have live photos, we have a timer to shoot pictures, and here we have a couple different filters that we can choose from for shots. So here in camera, in the settings, we can change the different quality that we want to record video at and take pictures at as well. So here, record video, you can choose up to 4K at 60 frames per second. And here is where you could have Smart HDR selected on or off, depending on your preference. In this new thing here called screen time, this new setting here called screen time, you can go in and it will let you know what it is that you are mainly using your screen for. So here, as you can tell, it already is telling me that in creativity, 1 minute, 45 seconds social networking, and 1 second productivity. So there you have screen time, and if you go to battery, here you will have all your battery information and battery usage as well. So here are all the stock apps that the iPhone XS Max comes with. So it looks like we have a measure stock app now. So this is pretty cool here. You have a leveling app. You can use this for plenty different things. If you want to maybe set something on the wall and you need it to be straight, you can kind of just put your iPhone next to it and make sure you get it to 0%, 0 degrees. It will light up green, and that means that it is as straight as can be. You can also select measure, and it will let you measure. Alright, so what you do is you set up a point. So you select where you want to measure from, and then you keep moving your iPhone away, and it will tell you how long it is. So here are some of the other apps that it comes with. Let's go ahead and play a YouTube video so we can test the quality and sound of the iPhone XS Max. And make a difference in my background, a great look, good contrast. So also, if you double tap on the video, it will enlarge the screen to full size. But the optimum place for me to put these panels is also in front of me. Home panels right here that I showed you in this video. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description. Alright, so there we have it, guys. There we have it, everyone. This is the new iPhone XS Max. This was the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and please give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace. Ciao.